Yeah, how to add a contact on WeChat. Very simple way to add somebody on WeChat. If you click here on this little plus, you click on add contact. It's very simple. Add contact. Then if it's phone number or this barcode or username, you type the number here. So if it's barcode or phone number, you put it here. Okay, I want to use phone number and search it. Okay, then you click on search. It's very simple. Remember and consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel so you can see the person here. It's very simple. So there they will show you to send the person friend request. It's very simple. So if you are going with barcode, the same place you click on that place, you press the barcode here and click on search. They will show you the contact. Please like and share the video.